All right, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to share a Google document. So you should have your Writer's Workshop journal open, or any document that you want to share. It's always going to be the same. Click on the share button, and then you're going to see that's your email right there. And then if you want to allow somebody else to see this document, you're going to have to type their email right here. So I'm going to go back, find the slide that has my name on it, see who my partner is. I'm going to copy their email, copy, and then I'm going to paste it right here. I'm just going to hit Control V to get that right there, and then hit enter. Now, if you want to allow them to edit your document, you leave it like this. For Writer's Workshop, I just don't want anything to happen as far as accidentally deleting stuff. So your writing partner, with their email there, you're gonna allow them to comment. That means they can make comments, and I'll show you how to do that later. But this is the thing you're gonna put right by their name, and you're also gonna type my email. So there should be two here, and both should be commenter, and then you just click send. And that is how you share a document. When it's time to do partner work, when it's time for us to review our partner's work, I will show you how to do that and where to find it. But right now, all you have to do is share your document with your partner.